Imagine one simple oil that can heal your skin, nourish your hair, boost your energy, and even clean your teeth. Let's uncover the surprising secrets of virgin coconut oil. The natural oil that works like magic for your beauty and health. The hidden secret. This isn't ordinary coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is made from fresh coconuts. No chemicals, no heat. Just pure nature. That's why it keeps all its magic. Antioxidants, vitamins, and the rare healthy fats your body loves. The skin transformation. Ever wondered why islanders have such glowing skin? Virgin coconut oil is a natural moisture lock. It softens dryness, calms irritation, and even speeds up healing. Studies show it can fight bacteria, helping your skin stay clear. But here's the truth, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, don't go overboard. It might clog pores. Hair and beauty magic. Frizzy, weak hair? This oil is like a spa in a bottle. It nourishes from root to tip, fights dandruff, and makes hair stronger. Beauty lovers use it as a lip balm, a natural makeup remover, even a gentle under-eye moisturizer. All from just one ingredient. Kitchen surprise and health boost. And it's not just for beauty. In the kitchen, virgin coconut oil adds a light tropical flavor to your meals. But the real magic is in its healthy fats, called MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides. These are quickly absorbed and turned into energy, which may even help boost your metabolism. Some studies suggest it could support brain health by giving your brain quick fuel, which is why many people add a spoonful to their morning coffee or smoothies. It also has natural antibacterial properties, making it safer for light cooking, and even for preserving some foods. So whether you're sautéing vegetables, baking healthy treats, or adding it to your morning drink, it's a simple way to add a nutritious touch to your diet. But remember, moderation is key because it's still high in saturated fat. Oral care secret. And here's something many people don't know. You can even use it to clean your mouth. It's called oil pulling, an ancient method that helps reduce harmful bacteria, freshens breath, and keeps your gums healthy, completely naturally. Unexpected extra uses. Mix it with a little sugar, and you've got an instant body scrub. Use it as a natural deodorant. It even soothes insect bites. Seriously, one oil, endless hacks. Gentle relief for aches and arthritis. Some people use virgin coconut oil as a soothing massage for joint pain or mild arthritis. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce stiffness and bring gentle relief. But remember, it's only a support, not a cure. So, is virgin coconut oil really nature's liquid gold? I say yes, but you decide. How do you use it? For beauty? For cooking? Or maybe something totally unexpected? Share your secret in the comments.